Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tabitha of Tabitha Faith. Welcome if you are new here and welcome back if this is not your first time. So today I'm going to be sharing a super minimal summer makeup look. It's the one I have on my face right now. Literally takes me 5 minutes, even though this video is longer than that. It's because I run my mouth and you know it. Remember, if you like these simple makeup tutorials, to give this video a thumbs up and click the red subscribe button down below. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look right here, then keep on watching. Oh, but hold up right there. Just so you know, I'm letting my bangs grow out, so if they look funky right now, that's why. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the best that they could do today because I'm not putting heat on my hair right now because I'm doing the hashtag curly girl method that I'll be making a video about soon. But this is what I'm working with today, so bear with me. All right. Start off with your fresh skincare done and a sunscreen. Don't forget a sunscreen because we are not doing foundation of any sort, so you're gonna need some skin protection. My favorite sunscreen, I would say of the moment, but it has been of the moment for the past like 4 years of my life, is still the Drunk Elephant. I'm literally almost out of this guy. Gotta repurchase. So today I only have this on. Sometimes I mix the Drunk Elephant again, Debronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. It gives you a really beautiful like sun-kissed glow without like being too dark. So it almost gives like a faux foundation look, but really it's your skin just like glowing. Forewarning, my mirror is dirty, so don't leave me a comment saying my mirror is dirty because I know. I just didn't take the time to clean it because who has time for that? So your first product is going to be the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I have mine in the shade 10. It's about time I move up to shade 15 because my skin's getting a little darker, even though 15 is considered still the fairest of the fair. So you take your Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. You're welcome if this is a drugstore product, and I'm just going to touch just a hair underneath the eyes, the smallest amount, and then cover on the top lid because you get veiny and you want to cover that up. You can use your finger and go in there, preferably ring finger, and just dot that in. Am I blocking you? I hope not. Dot that in. You don't want to use too much because once again, like this is a super minimal look, so you want it to appear like your skin just actually looks like that. And if you put too much concealer, then that's going to be a dead giveaway. Which is why I need to step it up to shade 15 instead of 10 because 10, as you can see, is pretty light on me now. So I need to move it on up. Okay, so I am going to set this down a little bit because it's summer, it's Mississippi, it's hashtag humidity, okay? So I gotta set the under eye concealer or there's gonna be major creasing and then like my mascara will just like bleed onto my eyelids. So give me a thumbs up if you fully understand the struggle. For setting, I'm not using anything cheap, but you can use whatever you want because I'm just using what I have on hand, and what I happen to have on hand is the Becca Soft Blurring Powder. There's lots of words and name I'll put on here, but I really actually love this. I hate powder in general, but I do like this. This one's in the golden hour one, so it's got a little bit of a glow to it, but not like craziness. It's also, what am I trying to say? A loose powder, so it tries to get everywhere. So I'm literally just gonna barely set underneath the eyebrows, making the craziest faces, and set the lid down. Okay, so once the under eye is set, you're gonna go back in with that same concealer. I like to set immediately because it'll crease in a hot minute. So I go back in with the same concealer. I'm just gonna spot conceal like very minutely little spots that need to be concealed. I always do just a little around the nose because my nose gets red. All right, Sawyer may be making a cameo, who knows. All right, then I actually don't like to do this part with my fingers, so I take a little brush and boop, 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 boop. I just blend her on in. Okay, done with concealer. I've just concealed any little spot, sunspot, whatever I thought just needed a little touch of coverage. Put it on, blended it out, done. So I'm gonna do some brows. You know, the only brow product that I truly ever use is the Maybelline Brow Drama in Deep Brown. And that's what's happening today. This one is almost completely out, so let's see if I can get a little I actually prefer it whenever it starts running out because whenever there's like a lot in there, it can just be a little much on the wand. So I'm liking that it's almost out, but this one is like barely getting anything. So let me just not paint my hair along with it. So let's just do the eyebrows. Sorry if you hear the air conditioner kick on. Hashtag it's just hot, it's just summertime. All right, brows are done. Just did a quick little swoop. Like it, not too much. Now for the cheekage, okay? So since this is like super minimal, I'm going in with the Glossier Cloud Paint. I have shade Dusk and shade Beam. I'm gonna mix just a little of the two. And seriously guys, I can do this routine. Sorry, I'm flipping you off. I can do this routine in like 5 minutes tops, I promise. So I will show you once I get it on there. That's literally all the amount I'm going to take. I'm gonna mix it. I like to put it on my ring finger so that I can mix it like so. And then, let me get my mirror. And I'm just gonna apply this in the general cheek area slash like contour area. Like I'm not worried about precision because this is just supposed to be a natural flush to the face. I'm gonna do this side as well. I actually realized that I'm taking my ring and my middle finger to do that. That's just what naturally happens for me. Tap it on out like that, get it to your desired look, and then we're gonna move on to highlight. My favorite highlighter of the moment still is the Flesh Highlight in Beam. Sawyer just got a hold of it and like dug his little finger into it, so yay. So I'm just gonna rub that over the top, try to smooth out that little hole, and apply it in the same manner. I usually go pretty ham with the highlighter because this is a super minimal. I mean, it is a natural look, but I want to look like I am just glowing for all I'm worth. So I will just apply the heck out of this highlighter everywhere, just everywhere. Just make sure you blend well because I feel like that there's no like worse giveaway than, oh, you're wearing a lot of highlighter than that like line of highlight. So just make sure you blend it pretty well, blend those edges. All right, I'm gonna take the same highlighter. I'm gonna put a little down my nose and on the tip. And I'm gonna put it on my top lip, which I don't need much right now because I'm actually sweating. Like I said, I literally just put this everywhere. I'm gonna put a little in my inner corner and above the brow bone. Like I just want to radiate. I just want to glow. All done with this. Put her away. This is an extra step if you want to. I'll go ahead and do it just so you can see what it looks like. But I take a like bronzy shade pencil. This one is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Lucky. Like I said, it's a beautiful bronze, and you could just like swipe really quickly across the top lash line. It's just gonna define the eyes a little more, make it look like maybe you put on mascara, but you didn't have to. I literally never do this with one hand, so kudos to me right now. I'm just saying. You can always take the ring finger and smudge it out just a little bit, but boom, you can do it super quick. And then, obviously mascara. Gotta have that mascara to make your eyes pop and be awake. Oh, the one I'm using right now is the Maybelline Total Temptation non-waterproof formula. I love waterproof in the summer, but also like it is bad for your eyelashes to do waterproof over and over and over again. So I just don't, and I just try to deal with it. If it like smudges, I'm okay with just fixing it a little bit with my fingers because obviously I'm not going for like a super pristine look at all times. So I just give my lashes a few good coats and then I'm done with that. Any other like hooded eye, small eye girls out there understand the struggle of like putting on mascara and feeling like you've just gotten Botox in your face and you can't move at all, because if you do, your mascara will literally get everywhere. It me. Okay, so for lips, my current love affair situation is with the new Flush Hot Sauce Lip Gloss. This stuff is so good. Flush actually sent this to me, and I'm so glad they did, because I love like the look of lip glosses, but I cannot stand a sticky lip gloss. I just can't. I just can't. These are awesome. They're not sticky. These smell like wonderful vanilla. They're super, super hydrating, and I think they last pretty stinking well. So I've been in love. I'm gonna go with this shade today. My packaging has numbers on it, but they have actual names for these now, and I don't know the name for this one, but I will put it on the screen. If you hear my son banging in the background on the piano, I'm sorry. Okay, so final step, going in with the lip gloss so you can see the juiciness in action. I mean, come on. Are you seeing like how great this color is and how juicy these are? I'm loving it, I'm loving it, I'm loving it. All right guys, so this is my finished super minimal summer makeup tutorial. Remember, give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button wherever you see my face hovering at. And until next time guys, remember that you are loved, you are valued, and you are worthy. Bye. As I've said in every one of my makeup videos, I put my makeup on like 2 centimeters away. Shh. Thank you. Sawyer was just holding up a makeup product talking to the camera because that's what I'm doing. Lord help me. Who am I raising right now? I don't know. Can you sit down and watch the rest of the show while Mama actually does her makeup tutorial? As I was saying, I like to put on my makeup like 2 centimeters away from the mirror. I'll try not to do that for you guys today. Are you gonna let me film? Will you let me film? Do you want to go play in your room?
No.